ito. Ano na, no? Even Steven ito.
Yes.
Do everything you can within your capability. 1-0 kagad. That's a good start.
Ang gaganda rin ng mga depensa ni Ara.
Oh, she's played a great all-around game. Regalo! Burned by Riri Meneses. Close to the net. Nagulat. Pati Capital One. Jump set. Perfectly done.
Trisha Tubo on fire.
Here's Genesis. It crawls over the net. And you've got a friend called the net.
Good first ball.
Good catch. Bam!
Oh!
Yeah. And that good first ball created Iris Tolenada. Good set. Naku, hindi na. Dinan. Iris chased it down. Oh! Pan says, take that!
I want to see that again because that one is a tough angle for Mylene Paat.
Iris. Nice. Reverse. Hala. Anybody's match. Hello! Ito na si Ara.
Oh! Service ace!
Number 3 yata yun.
I think it was number 3.
Boy, she has been one of the factors why they're leading 8-4 right now. Change sides here. Ay,
Oh,
Nunag.
yes. Slide attack once again.
Sabi siya, dapat kanina pa pinifeed yan eh. Here's Adorador. Kept in play by Rodrina. Oh! Every volleyball player gets that.
Take a look at that down the line hit. And ang taas din ang daan ng bola.
Sabi ni Ara, gising ako. Tinaas. Yes! That worked. Sumisigaw muna siya bago siya mag-serve.
Pampakalma yun.
Ayaw, papakalma ba yun? Off the hands. And look at this, Farm Fresh just turning on the heat here. In just a short while, Creamline and Galleries get entangled.
Oh!
Juan Gonzalez or Yellow Stamero will bring that to you.
And ang gaganda ng targets niya. Those are not easy balls. Loaded pa rin kahit short ball.
Ayun, kaya siya yung service master na lang. Pero that's neatly done. Well done. Hit against the block.
Meron dito ang Farm Fresh. Take a look at that last hit again ni Cepada. Talagang inantay niya yung braso ni Mylene Paat.
I see your arm. I hit it there. Hello! Ang daming sources ng points itong Farm Fresh.
Yes.
Parang yung efficiency level niya, taas. Mylene Paat, Rezanova will serve. Adorador receive. Alanganin. Si Pada got it. Here comes the set. What a crafty move by Cez Molina.
Kanina pa sila palo ng palo from her. This was a good drop ball behind the blockers. But Pino Maraginot is one of the better servers for Capital One. That was a sharp serve.
Tubu. Nice recovery.
Good dig.
It's Galang again. This is out of reach. But we have arrived at match point. In the future, if we are loaded Capital One teams, one and they have everybody back. And we are done. I don't think we're going to have an argument or a challenge for that. So Farm Fresh with a 5-set win.